Welcome everybody. How you guys doing today? So today is Monday, and in this short video, I'm gonna talk about a little bit about subscriber. There's a couple of people that asked me to do this video, and they want to know where can they find their subscriber. When somebody subscribe to their channel, they want to see it, and then when they unsubscribe, they want to see it. Okay, and another thing is that they want to see that where can they hide or show the subscriber. Okay, and then this video is for people that just starting YouTube, this beginner, they just want to know about it. And so I have this video, short video for you guys. So I'm gonna go to my channel. I'm gonna show you how to do that now. Let's go to my channels here. Okay, and I'm gonna go over here to my channel, click on my picture here. I'm gonna select on YouTube Studio. When these pop up, you just want to scroll down a little bit, right? You just want to scroll down here. You see right here, it says recent subscriber. Okay, when you select right here, select all. See all right here. See, these people, they subscribe to your channel, right? That because they have the channel in public, okay? That's why you see them. But when they select in private, you will not see them, right? That's what it says right here. They only include users who have made their subscription public. Okay, so if they make this subscription public, you can see it here. Okay, so when they subscribe to this channel, you see these people right here. Okay, guys. So now let's go to another way that we want to talk about. Okay, now on the setting right here on the left side, go ahead and select on setting. Now this side right here, you go ahead and select on channel. And what you see right here is the advanced setting and feature eligibility. Right, so let's go ahead and selecting advanced setting. And this right here about the audience, right? So they ask you, do you want to set your channel or make for the kid, right? And this section right here, what kind of video are you making, right? So it's for kid or not for kid. So you select, make one selection right here, okay? And then scroll down a little bit right here. It said auto generate caption, right here. It said don't show potential inappropriate word if you make a check mark right here. And then scroll down a little bit right here. It says subscriber count. See, on this right here, I did not make a check mark, right? Because I don't want people to see how many subscribers I have. So you make the check mark right here, it will display the number of people subscribed to your channel, right? So like I said again, if you not check this right here, it will not show. If you check it, it will show on your channel, okay? You will see how many subscribe on your channel, and everybody else see. That's great. In the public will see. Everybody can see it, okay? So you uncheck that, nobody can see it, okay? So that's all I have for today, guys, on this video, this short video. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want more videos, just go ahead and leave in a comment. Other than that, that's all I have, guys, and I hope to see you guys next time. Okay, bye bye.